Hey everybody, what's going on? Nicholas Nick here, founder of leadminingpros.com. You might already know who I am, but I own one of the biggest cold calling agencies in America, and I have teamed up with Land Portal to make sure that between their amazing data and our amazing practices that you are handling all of these leads the best way possible. So this course is going to serve as a masterclass to make you a professional cold caller nearly overnight. We're going to talk about a series of things: which dialer you should be using, what attitude you should have that you should bring to the cold call, what script we should be using. We are going to cover everything. We're even going to talk about what your KPIs should look like. A KPI stands for key point indicator, which means what can we look at to see if we're doing a great job. In our case, the KPIs are going to be calls made, people picked up the phone, and leads generated. That's an example of a KPI. And that's what I'm going to show you how to track and how to use to your advantage so you can get as many leads as humanly possible for yourself. Now, why is it important to know how to cold call yourself? I'm sure you're not going to be cold calling in your business forever, but what's very important is you learn how to do the job for a couple of reasons. Number one is you're going to want to know exactly how to do this job and how to do it well. Now, that matters when you hire someone like myself or even you outsource it to a virtual assistant. You're not going to want to be blind to the results. You're going to want to know how it went when you did it. So while you're doing cold calling yourself, keep your stats in mind. How many people picked up the phone? How many leads are you generating? Now you can take your personal experience and then you can compare it when you outsource it. That's what's very important. You can also help manage your employees better or your cold callers if you have some kind of experience. I recommend everyone dial 100 to 500 dials at least themselves. And this is going to give you confidence. This is going to give you knowledge, and this is going to give you management skill. So when you do outsource it or you do hire someone to do it, you can now manage them better. And that is extremely important. How good you manage, because this is just right now. You are just calling right now to to get started, right? But pretty soon you're going to be having a team of callers underneath you, or you're going to have us calling for you. So you're going to want to know what's good, what's bad, and how everything works in between. So doing this yourself in the beginning is extremely important. All right, so we're going to get this kicked off. Our first video is about the mindset of a cold caller and how you should show up when you cold call your leads. Stay tuned and let's kick some butt.